Okay, so what do we got? It's Haven 5v4. The round has just begun, and 11-5 is the scoreline.
Spike down mid.
Shadows translate.
A2, 2A, 2A.
I hear 2A, and I think they're gonna swarm A because they got a pick, but they don't for some reason, and go back.
Cover going.
2A.
Okay, so my gecko
Okay, they came back.
is here and sees two window. I assume they're gonna split or just group up and get A because they don't know where the two of us are.
They came back mid. This Sova and KO was there. They came
Try
back
to
mid.
revive Cypher. Or sorry.
Sage, you can come and revive if you want.
Going A or outside B?
I hear them running long, but I'm pretty sure one's gonna stay and come through short.
In A shot, A shot. Yes.
I'm super low, so my best bet here is to just stay and be a threat for them. Because I hear them going long, but they're probably gonna wanna come short and get a trade on me. Because
One more A.
Shadows translate.
I hear them coming, so I smoke this off. I put a smoke here, and while the smoke is getting deployed, I do a crazy TP here. Because I assume the smoke getting deployed is gonna mask the sound of my TP.
One enemy remaining.
Well played.
They just don't expect me, and I withdraw.
Well played.
Healing you.
तो वहीं रहता है.
मेरे से चलो इस बार. We expect someone to anchor B, so we try going through mid and evening out the numbers because it's still a 4v5.
बैठा हुआ.
A 3v5 now.
Re-clear करते हैं भाई वो लोग.
आराम से.
I try to flash for my teammate, but it doesn't work, and so I just send the wingman in to plant, expecting to catch someone off guard because I'm planting from really far.
Stop.
फिर वो लाइफ्स लग गई निकलने वाला. Planned was there.
So it's a 2v5 right now.
भाई.
थोड़ी देर.
अरे wingman तोड़ दिया. Wingman तोड़.
We get it to a 2v3, and I know the spike is not planted because my wingman was short. So there is definitely someone on B, either nest or backside. I don't know where. We just seen the clove here. We don't know where the Sova is.
तोड़ दिया.
Last player standing.
पीछे तक.
Okay, I see the Sova. I also hear the neon running from up here to trade me, as you can see.
I'll take it.
But he's playing the smart. He's trying to buy as much time for his teammate as possible.
एक. House क्या?
Oh,
Ping.
oh, take him here.
Clove mid है.
30 seconds left.
नीचे आ गया.
नीचे.
One enemy remaining.
Mid सा.
So I expect the clove to try and trade me here, but I don't know why they don't swing. So I'm just gonna plant here.
कहीं से भी आ सकता है.
अबे क्या हो गया? Plant क्यों नहीं हो रहा? I don't know what happened there.
10 seconds left.
8 planted. 8. अरे
The clove could have been anywhere, but I expected them to fight here or from yellow. Okay, so the context for this clip is more important than the clip itself. It's the same game. We had a good lead on attack, but we just could not defend the map because of this comp that they have. As you can see, it's just more of a send it comp. And the neon played really well and was destroying us, one-tapping us while sliding every time. So we did manage to get it to overtime. And this is a must-win round for us, because if they figure out how to defend, it's going to be difficult for us to win the game. During attack, there's one thing that we did not do, was push them. Instead of waiting for them to push onto us, just swarm us with neon walls, flashes, stuns, sword arts, we just decided to push them this time because it would be unexpected. And let's see how it worked out.
करना है पुश पक्का.
कर लो.
एटलीस्ट उनको स्लो डाउन करते हैं. मैं ब्लाइंड वाइंड देती हूँ बिकॉज हम स्टॉप ही नहीं कर रहे हैं उनको.
This is up stop. Someone's there.
अरे भाई.
Nice.
Nice. एक और.
Op. I see an op on the Reyna, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna hold this Mia's angle where my Reyna was over here. So I swing him from above this headshot angle.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Spike down A. Down. One enemy
बहुत
It's a 5v1. We basically won the map, and it was a good call to push them.
remaining.
नाइफ करो साले को. नाइफ करो.
Wingman.
नाइफ.
Yes.
GG.
Nice.
Defenders win.
All right.
Let's go.
Much love, team.
Okay, it's a 3v5 on Sunset. Our cypher's really low, and we know there's 2 people mid, or at least one of them mid. So we try to fight him and get the numbers even.
हाँ ब्रो. क्या यार दिमाग यूज नहीं कर रहा लाइट. सॉरी लाइट को.
No. We see another, but our cipher dies to him. So we just trade our cipher. One down, and now it's a 2v2. The gate here, the market gate here is closed, so we probably don't want to make much noise and go into B slowly. So we decide to go A instead. कहाँ जाना? Smoking wet.
Cover going out.
I say we go B A.
Last player standing.
We did not expect the Reyna to be here, and I really underestimated how fast the Reyna dismiss has become after the recent buff. Mari.
भाग उसके पीछे भाग ले भाई.
नहीं करो.
मैं साइड रे.
कदम विजन बताओ.
I hear the gecko in link, and they're both probably gonna try to double swing me and kill me through link. The gecko does manage to blind me.
30 seconds left.
उसका टीममेट आ गया.
Planted. Let's go.
But what do I see? My omen smoke has just recharged.
Reyna.
Shadow and Pathlight.
Myself off.
One enemy remaining.
दो गोली यार रिलोड कर लो पीछे जाके तुम. ओके.
Reload.
I did hit the Reyna, and I'm sure he's not overhealed because he dismissed. But I don't know if he's one shot. So I go back and reload. And while going back, I make it sound like I'm going towards here. Maybe here somewhere. But I just wrap him through Jen.
नाइस.
This one.
तो दो गोलियां भी बहुत कुछ.
Okay, so the next 2 clips are just proof of why the Recon Phantom is the best.
Shadows Pathlight.
Cover.
कहाँ जा रहा है?
Then
Ready.
next.
One enemy remaining.
Invent.
Spike down A.
Remain था ये.
Spike here.
What? Anyway, it's a 5v5. Look what happens in the next 10 seconds. What? Oh wow, that's great. Oh,
Event clear. यार तेरा सर जनरल हाय हाय यहीं बैठा हुआ है यार.
So my flank is useless at this point, but I still expect Saba to be late.
जेट चाहिए थी.
I wait for my Cypher ult, and so they're both side, and I have a very good retake ability, which is the Omen Paranoia. So I plan on using it and swarming them before they can hold their post-plant position.
33 मैंने भी दिया.
I have a flash.
Spike planted.
Stealing slaves.
दो लैंड.
So मैं यहाँ पे
Last player
how
standing. One enemy.
just precise gunplay, or maybe just the recon phantom buff. I don't know.
My turn. Spike down A.
So it's a 4v4 on blind with the clove ulted. So it should be a 4v3, but then my teammate dies to the clove. एक TP क्या था ना? Bro, what the man? Why is he coming behind me?
Cover going out.
Oops. Okay, so what I do here is I spam through the smoke, right? And they for sure know I'm here because I killed the Raze. And my Sage is right next to me, but they don't know that. So I'm going to use my Sage as a little bit of a bait and then wrap elbow and flank them. And hopefully my Sage doesn't die.
Spike down B.
Get the pudding.
अरे मेरे पास I did a fake reload or I don't know how, but I have 6 bullets. I thought I reloaded, but I didn't. Like bullets क्यों है? What the fuck?
Last player.
Uh-oh. Now they expect me to be here, to be where I am right now. So I have to be ready for a fight.
Player standing. One enemy remaining.
My teammate said he's 100 and I had what? 1 bullet in my phantom left. So I'm just gonna kill him with the classic.
Remaining. Down B. Clutch.
That was fun. Shadows translating.
Fight put the
आराम से कोई ना. ए तेरी देख.
Monster.
अरे यार.
तेरे पीछे से आ रहे Jet. I know there's multiple people trying to get my Jet from this angle, and I'm volleyed off, so I just tell him to be careful. But I think he dies anyway.
Oh dear, what's just
My bad. Wrong dice day.
Spike play.
Our Gecko gets 2 massive kills here, and it's a very winnable 3v2 with a Gecko ult.
Planted.
बस को दो पिन इधर.
All of us, for some reason, think there's 1 tree and 1 side, but there isn't.
कॉल टेक. अरे ट्री है ही नहीं कोई.
Hey.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
नहीं है. बता.
smoke it this time.
I probably should have smoke diffused here, but maybe I wouldn't be able to get full. So I'm trying my best to get half here.
आ रहा है. Half.
I wait till he commits his spray so that I can wide swing him and then kill him.
can also make it more
my god.
Nice.
performance.
I please. I
What a pro player.
मुझे बात ही नहीं करनी तुमसे. Don't talk to me.
Of course.
Reloading.
Probably you're up.
This is just a pistol round. We try to just send it to A, but our Cypher dies, so they could be coming from anywhere. And we decide to go B.
थोड़ा भी जला.
Shadows translating.
Reloading.
There's definitely 2 here, and one of them is gonna wanna fast flank us through a link. So I decide to stay at A and catch that guy,
तो वो कैमरा तोड़ो ये आपका कैमरा द्वार पे इस द्वार पे कैमरा है आपके ऊपर कैमरा है because नहीं
There he is.
Get him forward.
मैंने
we will be here
90 cypher और स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है
स्टेयर से ऊपर गया था ना. The cipher should be like around here somewhere. So I'm trying to flank him. But since the spike is on site and my teammates haven't moved, he expects someone here. Wait. I was lucky to not die there.
Which?
I have one more smoke. Oh shit.
वो 24 HP रुक
It's a 2v2 and both of us are super low. We are limping. मैं भी बहुत low. We just contact walk in.
One enemy remaining. The last player standing.
Oh my god. I don't know what the Reyna was doing. I was lucky to get that kill. But it was a good round overall.
but yeah
Yeah.
doesn't it glare
Cover going out.
जो ऊपर से आना पड़ेगा
More mid lane.
I bet I'm not the other
अकेला था.
अबे यार
Fire them.
oh inside
One enemy remaining.
Planting last.